Least, I keep the ball dun sa may inside ng court. Kumbaga parang dun sa may setter's area at least, kahit hindi dun sa pinaka-perfect, kumbaga kahit B-pass lang.
Kahit basta
May
dun
aangat.
malapit sa kanya.
And yung angat, kailangan kayang iset. Pabagalin mo ng konti para maset ng kung sino man yung nasa tabi mo.
Yeah.
Hindi yung parang medyo mabilis na mababa na malayo. Tatlo yun. Tatlo lang yung mga spikers din kumukuha niyan. So, kailangan medyo mapadali kahit na misreceive.
That's how vital the role of a libero is or a receiver is. Pero ito si Grace Cabadin is on fire.
On fire.
Diba? Siya yung pumalit kay Nadine.
Ay, mga players na ganyan.
Tambasakan, kakapasok
Nice
lang.
pass.
Wow! Great Badara.
Did the plan executing that play.
Let's see this. Pinakagat muna ni Corinne Batara. Then,
Kaya pinasok to si Dita Blan
Dita
para
Blan.
tatlo pa rin ang spikers nila sa harap. Yun yung parang pinaka-main purpose nung ating...
nag-double palit kanina. Freyan Garcia.
Pero si Freyan, dala pa rin ang buong Mapua. Lakas ng batang to.
And that time, isa lang yung nakabantay sa kanya.
Nila dun.
Kasi pareho yan. Si Cabadin tsaka si Garcia.
Hindi mo pwedeng isang blocker lang yan.
Eto, si Freyan.
Oh,
Bumalik.
like that one.
That's better coverage. But
Oh,
Nico
good.
Long, still alive though. Azareno. Freyan again. Cross court. She catches the line.
Right on the line.
Wow. It was a power alley for Freyan Garcia. So, Coach Mia will challenge this.
Pero i-challenge nila to.
So, this is a challenge for
Ano sa
JRU.
ano sa tingin mo? In or out?
Nangyari sa harap natin eh.
Ako parang kita ko in.
Pasok ano? Yeah.
Pasok.
Manipis pero pupasok.
Yes.
Yun natin.
Pero let's see. Kaya may challenge system tayo.
Na-test tayo dun ah. Kasi nangyari sa harap natin.
So parang medyo deceiving.
Sige, tignan natin. 21-15. By the way, Mapua right now, number 3 in the team
Number
standings. Ito. Oh yeah, pasok.
Pasok.
This is gonna be inside.
Inside.
So, sige. Dati, drop ball. Azareno off speed. 23-15 now. Amante is denied.
Good block.
Diana tries. Over
This
to
time,
Freyan.
Freyan.
Back row hit. Tambasakan could not
Pass.
convert. Del Pilar drops it in.
Kailangan pa nila ng mga ganun.
So 2 straight for the Lady Cardinals. Freyan Garcia has 5 points so far. Service ace
Service ace.
by Freyan.
Straight to the libero. Alam mo, napaka-frustrating ng mga ganyan, lalo kapag libero ka, tas na sa service ace-an ka. Naku.
I was about to say, kasi syempre, yan ang...
Yes.
So now, it is 3-all here
Good
in the second
pass.
frame. Sent back.
Nabasa na si Ong Don.
Is the quick. It was Cherish Dayame still. This
Wala na
time,
kasing siyang space eh.
who is struggling today. Nice serve again.
Good set.
Hazareno, down the line.
Down the line. Nakita yun ni Hazareno. Ang laki ng space sa zone 1.
Ito, down the line, tapos long ball. Diba?
Medyo mahirap talaga yung angle na yun.
Hazareno, team captain.
Good pass.
Kabiga choosing Freyan Garcia.
Freyan. Grabe yung confidence ni Freyan. Sa palo na yun. Parang alam na alam niya kung saan niya dadalhin talaga.
Ito ni Jem Gavica.
Oh, nice pa.
Eto. Ooh. Easy up for Mapua here. They're on the
Ooh.
attack. Nicole Ong is activated. And Mapua is just executing right here. Ito, na-challenge ulit yung first ball.
Kasi ang ganda ng service eh.
Ah.
Oh. Float. Yan pa naman yung mga isa sa pinakaayaw kong serve.
Oo. Float serve. Mas mahirap
Float serve.
babasahin.
Oo, wala ikot. But Freyan, wow, this girl
On fire
on
again.
fire.
She continues her scoring ways. 8 points now for Garcia.
Tsaka kita mo dun sa may approach niya. Team, kapag walang nagbablock.
Ito, this is a better play. Rica Blanca. Maganda yung bigay kay Inday.
Nice.
And Pat Del Pilar connects this time. Yun yung kagandahan. Again, first ball, you give a good pass to your center.
So, doon nagkakaroon ng mga deflection.
Oh, okay.
Kasi kailangan establish na yung paa mo.
Correct. Para maganda
Like
yung...
that one.
Ayun. Pagka-absorb mo dun sa atake. Ito, si Hazareno. Oh, targeting the same spot from earlier.
Yes, same spot.
Pero
Ang laki ng space talaga ng zone 1 ng Mapua. Meron silang ikot na ang laki ng... Ang laki.
Oo.
Ang laki ng space ng zone 1.
Walang nakatoka doon.
Sino ang nakatoka sa zone 1?
So, Detablan will start. She's back inside.
Rica Blanca. Wow.
Grabe talaga. Si Raisa
Lahat,
Rica Blanca.
no?
Oo. Kanina, nag-attack error. Ito, pinabawi siya ni Gavika.
Pinabawi ka agad ni Gavika. Choices. Kapag isa lang ang blocker mo, either match check, kailangan ready ka doon, or pupunta sa dalawang gilid niya. So, tatlo. Yun yung babantayan mo, or ida-drop. Like that one.
Ooh. Sumugal
Chance
doon.
ball.
Oo, it's si Gavika.
Chance ball. Nice.
Freyan!
But Freyan,
Check out!
smart.
Sabi niya sa atin, kanina pa ako nagpa-power. Ito, simplihan ko lang.
Medyo dikit na rin kasi sa net. Kaya talagang ginawa niya na lang ng paraan. Isang tactic yung kapag...
So, a 6-point lead.
Good pass.
Gavika to Garcia.
Freyan.
Again, better net defense from JRU.
Wow.
Good reaction from Kabadin. Ball is still in play.
Buwis
ball.
buhay.
Oo. Del Pilar is activated. Naka-establish na. Off the block for Diana.
Pinadaan niya sa mas maliit na blocker.
That's right. Nicole Diana choosing Gavika.
Ang ganong mga mga mabibilis na pasa, dapat mas lambingan. Lambingan ng set ng onte.
Oo. Kasi mahirap na eh.
Oo, mahirap.
Yung posisyon.
Mahirap timingan. Pag sobrang bilis.
Wow! JRU is on a roll right now. They've scored 4 straight. That's Nicole Diana cutting the lead down to 3.
Play, mas makapuntos.
At yun yung tamang desisyon doon.
yun.
Inactivate yung gitna.
Yes.
So that breaks the 4-0 run, but JRU retaliates.
Yung JRU, medyo china-challenge na yung Mapua.
Ito na, 20-23. Amante in season 100. Good to have you with us. Martin Javier with Jack Janela here in the coverage. MG Baliday is at courtside. Ito, Freyan Garcia starts us off with this swing. She now has 11 points.
Cross-court spike. Solid. Tsaka hindi lang siya yung spike eh.
3-1? Yeah, that's the tally here.
Good pass.
No, 3-2 ang score natin. Kabadin.
Oh, nice.
Ito yung
Nice
setup.
hustle.
Chance ito para sa Mapua. Rica Blanca.
Basang-basa ng libero ng JRU.
Deyala off the block. So, JRU maintains this strong start. Ito yung importante sa kanila na huwag nilang bitawan yung
Yes.
initial moment. JRU si Kring Batara.
Yes.
Here's Kabadin. Hazareno. Hazareno scores.
That one successful ang attempt ni Nazareno.
7-5. Ito yata yung first set na nakaraming error ang Lady Cardinals. Ano? Kasi first two natin, very efficient sila. Freyan.
Pero si Freyan wala.
Grabe naman yun. Down the line
Down the
again.
line.
It's another power hit for Freyan Garcia.
Parang sukat.
Oh, on deck to serve. That's a
Tough pass.
difficult pass pa rin. Pero nakahanap ng butas.
Na-convert pa rin. And that's how, kailangan pa ng ganun ng JRU para ma-build pa ulit nila yung momentum nila.
That's Nicole Deyala connecting. 11 all. Ramos targets Rebustes. Garcia!
Freyan, buong-buo ang loob.
Wala siyang atake ngayon na hindi full commitment.
Grabe ang efficiency nga eh, no? Kanina, zone 1. Ngayon, zone 6.
Pero 14 puntos na para kay Garcia.
B-pass. Pero ang ganda.
Dug up by Rebustes. Back row hit by Esteban.
Overpass.
Nicole Ong was ready at the net. How about this?
Clearly knows her role.
Yeah.
Yan, talaga yung mga ganun, yung mga parang...
Maganda yung connection. Ang ano dyan, kapag binigay mo kasi sa kanya tapos nakapuntos, yun na, maghihiwalay na yung blockers para sa mga wing attackers.
And ang galing ng setter kung masiset talaga yun sa kanya pa.
Oh! Put down by Deyala.
Nice.
Better.
See, dun talaga, zone 1 talaga.
Yung instruction yan, nasa atake.
Huwag daw humiga ka agad, which is tama naman.
But they weren't able to execute that time. Basakan, easy up for Alonia. This is Del Pilar. Single coverage by Ong. They go to Dayame this time.
Good dig.
Nakabuelo si Garcia. Alonia was still there. Deyala tries. Easy up. Puts it down.
Yes.
Nicole Ong. You know.
Ang ganda rin kasi ng set eh.
Yeah.
Ang dami niyang pwedeng i-angle doon. Pero,
So, Kabadin will start.
good pass.
Detablan to Del Pilar. Wow, Nicole Ong.
Yun yung... Nasa tapat na. Nasa tapat na kasi. Nasa tapat na naman, di na gumalaw. Nowhere to go.
Parallel at the net. Ong with a single block.
Yun yung kahalagahan ng set plays. Yung medyo lilituhin mo ng onti yung blocker.
Deyala.
Same spot.
Yeah. Well,
Same spot.
it's been working.
It's been working.
Down the line. Kanina si Ramos yung tumarget. Ngayon si Deyala ulit.
Yes. Kailangan gawa ng paraan ng sweeper yun.
Inday.
Nice.
Good serve.
Nice serve.
Free ball to. Inday. Back to Nicole.
Good
Bumalik.
cover. But,
Freyan!
but Freyan.
With a better
Grabe yung
reaction.
court awareness.
16 points now for Freyan Garcia. How about this? Yeah. A reaction on the
Grabe.
overpass.